Now, this is the Autodesk Construction Cloud. And you can see here, it's not just a document storage system. What we can do is open drawings. Once we're in the drawing, we can view them, but we don't just view them, we can compare them. So you can see here, I'm comparing version 1 and 2 of the drawings. This is huge because the number of times we have to try and traditionally print things off and compare them, it's all changed. I can do this all digitally. I can actually change it from that mode into this mode, so I can slide a bar back and see the live 2 drawings and actually how they've changed. It's not just that. What else do you want to do with this core tool? It may be the fact that you want to use it to capture that evidence. As we're saying, we're not just information anymore, we're capturing evidence. So you may be on site and you may be looking at picking photographs, looking at that progress. So we can drop photographs in here just with this core tool. We can start capturing that evidence, that information, that progress tracking. All that good stuff can be captured in here, and the photos can be attached to places in that drawing. We're just reusing the data to create that single source of truth. It might not be just photographs. You may have problems. So you may want to raise issues in here, but rather than doing another tool, keep it in core products. Keep it so that single source of evidence and issues and everything is all one. As you can see here, I'm raising an issue. Could be a snag on site or something like that. It's the same technology as if I'm using it on my phone, tablet, iPad, whatever it may be. It's the same drawing, it's the same issue, it's the same photograph. So wherever I'm using this data, I am beginning to embrace it. I've not got to try and upload, download, print, pass it over to other people. It's there. It's at the core of what we actually do. This is key to the start of your digital strategy, really. And it's not just about 2D anymore. So make sure that core tool can read 3D as well. You know, make sure that you're futurizing the way that we're working. So you can see here, I can quickly get into the 3D mode. I can put myself as a third person into that model. No extra tools. I'm not installing viewing products. You know, something like this technology will read 52 different file formats. So any model, any drawing, all your reports, specifications can all be read without downloading, without separate tools, without that. That's becoming the core of what we're trying to do. But again, is it just wanting to view the model? No, we want to be able to raise issues in the model. As you can see, the light fitting here is too close to the wall. But at the same time, I might want to also see the changes in this model. So you can see now this has probably embraced 4 or 5 different bits of technology. I can use it to filter, so I can see the ground floor, the first floor here very, very easily. Or I can start switching off different elements, so I can start filtering and using the data that's embedded in this 3D world. And we can start even selecting things. And when we select things, we can start seeing the properties behind them. So again, we're using this data once, we're making it available to the whole team, and we're making it so it becomes the heart of your solution. And that's what I mean by a core product. Now, what we can also do is look at where it's going. Yeah, because as I've said, you don't want this just to be in isolation. We've got to think where it's going. So this is it on the iPad, exactly the same structure, exactly the same model, exactly the same drawings. We can now see the issues that were raised on the desktop. We can see how drawings and models can actually be viewed, integrated while out on site. It's the same data. This is what I mean by a core tool. It's got to be something that embraces everything rather than straight away having to download to view it in other tools. The CDE, the Common Data Environment, should form the basis of where you want to go and start growing from that.